and welcome to this tutorial for a Hannah Montana makeup look. I'm using this season 1 look as a reference because that season is just elite. I'm starting with this natural eyebrow pencil and I'm filling them in very neat but not too thick. Then I'm gonna top it off with an eyebrow gel to really get that arch because my eyebrows just never want to look right. Then we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. I'm using this palette which has lots of nice peachy pinky tones. I'm gonna take that on a fluffy brush and I'm gonna put that on the whole crease of my eye and also concentrate that on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take this light pink and I'm gonna put that on with the same brush all over to make that blend a little bit better with my skin tone. Then I'm taking this brown color on a flat brush and I'm gonna draw some eyeliner, but I'm gonna concentrate it around the eye. I'm not gonna draw a wing. Then I'm gonna take this pink glitter shade on a clean flat brush. And I'm gonna apply that the same way as I did the eyeliner around the eyes. And I'm taking a creamy black eyeliner and I'm gonna apply that to the lower lashes just in the outer corner and then on the upper lashes just all around to make it really blend with the mascara later. Then I'm taking a glittery white eye pencil and I'm going over the lower lash line one more time. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using a lash curler. I'm heating that up with my straightener. Last time I used my blow dryer, but you could also use heat tools to warm it up. Always check on your palm if it's not too hot though. Then I'm applying the mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm using a Grippy primer to make that base stay. This one is really light, kind of like a serum. Then I'm taking a contouring stick and I'm gonna go all around the face because I'm looking a little bit pale. I really miss the summer. I'm putting that all around my face and also putting a lot on my nose. Then I'm gonna blend it all out with a sponge. Then I'm taking this kind of pinkish, reddish, natural looking blush. I'm putting on big dots. Don't be cheap. And then I'm blending it out with a sponge. And I'm gonna be using concealer. I'm mixing this concealer with the color corrector because that way it matches me a little bit better. I'm putting that under my eyes, on my forehead, under the cheeks, on my chin, everywhere. Because I skipped foundation because I thought that was just a little bit too much, but I still want some coverage. Then I'm gonna take a loose powder in the same shade as my concealer and I'm gonna take it on a powder puff. I'm gonna start under the eyes and just mattify the whole face. Don't take too much. I try to pat it on my hand before I take it to the face. Then it's time for highlighter. I'm taking a shade similar to the glitter on my eye. I'm applying that to my cheekbones, around the eye, on my nose, and I'm blending that out with my fingers. Then for the lips, I'm only using this lip gloss. It's pink with a lot of like shimmers and glitters, very pretty. I'm applying that very thick on the lips. I really love this color because it reminds me of those 2000s high school movies. Then for the finishing touches, I'm using a Dewy setting spray. This is perfect for melting in all the steps. Then this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know in the comments which Hannah Montana episode is your favorite.